welcome to Surds class, a channel where we make learning so easy and absorbable. It's been a while we hit your screen. Today we are here. We want to try our hands on this question. If this is your first time watching, like, subscribe, and then share our videos. Now, solve z root 8 minus 6 equals 2z over root 2. Giving your answer in the form k root 2, where k is an integer. So after solving, the answer should be of this form. A positive or a negative integer of this form. K means the unknown integer and root 2. So your answer should look something like this. Now, we can simplify this. We find the product of the two numbers that will give us 8. One being a perfect square. So that's z root 4 times 2 minus 6 equals here rationalization of z. When the denominator is a z, you multiply the fraction by the z, express the z as a fraction. So 2z over root 2 will multiply another root 2 all over another root 2. Then we can write this in a different way as z. We separate them root 4 times root 2 minus 6. Then 2z times root 2. That will be 2z root 2 all over. Then root 2 times root 2. You can put them in brackets, root 2 squared. Then we get here, we get 2, because square root of 4 is 2, so that 2 will multiply the z. So we have 2z times root 2 minus 6 equals 2z root 2. Then square will cancel roots, so we have divided by 2. Then these 2 can cross out these 2. So we have 2z root 2 minus 6 equals z root 2. Now let's see if they have any like term. Yes, root 2, root 2. So then we will see. Then let's group like terms. So 2z root 2. Then this z root 2 will cross. It's positive, become negative z root 2. Then 6 is not a common term to them. It crosses and becomes equal to 6. 2z root 2. Now, because the sets are the same, you subtract the numbers in front of them, or the expression in front of them. 2z minus z will give me z root 2 all equals 6. Now, you need to leave the expression in this form, and it's not in that form. Now, let us express z, or make z the subject. Let us express it as the subject. So, I want z to stand alone, something like this. Then I'll divide this side by root 2 and divide this side with 2. Root 2 will cancel root 2. So z is equal to 6 over root 2. And this will bring us back to where? To this one. So the roots multiplying, expressing itself as a fraction is multiplying it. So z, so we say z is equal to 6 root 2 times root 2 over root 2. So z equals 6 root 2 over here, root 2, root 2, the 2 roots, so the answer is 2. 2. Then, what do we have left? This root 2 and now 2. Now z is equal to, here, 6 divided by 2 is what? 3 root 2. So therefore, the expression k root 2 is equal to z. Okay, sorry. It's equal to this, so 3 root 2 as your final answer. And then you are good to go. Thank you for watching. We'll come your way with a lot of exciting and educative videos. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section box. You can also take my contact and then message me on any problem that you have. I'll be willing to assist you. Thank you and have a good day.